At Computex 2025, ASUS's Republic of Gamers. ROG brand stole the spotlight by introducing an innovative lineup of esports gear. Crafted to elevate competitive gaming, these new products don't just bring improved specs. They push the boundaries with fresh design concepts, aimed at providing gamers with unmatched comfort, precision, and speed. Developed in collaboration with professional esports players, this range of peripherals is tailored for the high demands of the competitive gaming world. Leading the launch is the ROG Falcata mechanical keyboard, featuring a revolutionary 75% split layout. This design allows users to reposition the left key cluster independently, maximizing desk space and optimizing mouse control. Such customization helps reduce physical strain and improve comfort during long gaming marathons. The keyboard's magnetic HFX V2 switches offer adjustable actuation points from a featherlight 0.1 mm to a more deliberate 3.5 mm, with precise tuning down to 0.01 mm increments. This level of control means gamers can fine-tune key responsiveness to suit their personal preferences, enhancing both speed and accuracy. Sound and feel receive equal attention, with a 4-layer dampening system to minimize noise and provide a satisfying keystroke without the usual mechanical clatter. Connectivity options are robust, supporting Bluetooth, 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB modes. ASUS claims a staggering battery life of up to 610 hours, ensuring that players won't be interrupted mid-session, whether gaming at home or on the go. The gaming mouse accompanying this keyboard is the ROG Harp 2 Ace, engineered for those who demand lightning-fast response and ultra-lightweight design. Weighing just 48 grams, it's one of the lightest mice on the market, making quick flicks and subtle movements effortless. Made from bio-nylon, it also reflects ASUS's commitment to sustainability without compromising durability. The Harp 2 Ace features a cutting-edge optical sensor capable of up to 42,000 dpi, far exceeding most gaming needs, but guaranteeing exceptional precision for every movement. This sensor even tracks on glass surfaces, ensuring consistent accuracy no matter your setup. Coupled with an 8000 Hz polling rate powered by ASUS's Speed Nova 8K technology, this mouse communicates inputs to the system with ultra-low latency, giving players a critical edge in fast-paced games. Tailored ergonomics for claw and fingertip grips prioritize comfort and control, with optical switches rated for a 100 million click lifespan. Customization is streamlined through the ROG Gear Link web platform, letting users adjust DPI, button mapping, and lighting without the hassle of additional software installations. ASUS's innovation doesn't end with input devices. The Strix Ace XG248 gaming monitor pushes performance to new extremes. With an astonishing 610 Hz refresh rate and a 0.8 milliseconds input lag, built on a Super TN panel. This display is crafted specifically for esports athletes who demand split-second visual feedback and fluid motion clarity. It ensures rapid response times with minimal motion blur and ghosting, which can be game changers in competitive scenarios. The ecosystem is further enhanced with the ROG Sheath 2 XXL mousepad. At 900 by 400 mm, it offers ample surface space to accommodate both keyboard and mouse movements comfortably. Constructed from cooling fabric, the Sheath 2 keeps hands comfortable during extended play, while its rubberized base prevents unwanted slipping. Durable stitched edges prevent fraying, ensuring longevity even under heavy use. Recognizing the importance of comfort in long gaming sessions, ASUS introduced 2 new gaming chairs: the ROG Corsair and the ROG Destrier Core. The Corsair boasts a synchronized reclining mechanism, adjustable lumbar support, and 4D armrests for full customization of height, depth, angle, and pivot. Meanwhile, the Destrier Core offers a breathable mesh frame with a removable headrest, balancing comfort and airflow to prevent overheating during marathon gaming. ASUS emphasized that this suite of products was developed in close cooperation with professional players, such as Demon 1 from Valorant and ZYWOO from CS2. Ensuring these tools meet the demanding standards of esports competition. Continuing partnerships with elite teams like Team Vitality, and NRG eSports underline ASUS's commitment to supporting competitive gaming globally. With top-tier equipment, the 2025 ROG eSports gear lineup exemplifies cutting-edge design, precision engineering, and player-focused innovation. The Falcata keyboard's split design promotes ergonomic excellence, while the featherweight Harp 2 Ace mouse delivers unmatched responsiveness with a conscience toward environmental sustainability. The ultra-high refresh rate Strix Ace XG248 monitor ensures visuals are crisp and lag-free, perfectly suited for professional play. The Sheath 2XXL mousepad and new gaming chairs round out a complete setup, designed for comfort, control, and style. Whether you're a competitive pro, streamer, or passionate gamer, ASUS's latest lineup provides the hardware foundation to elevate your game. These peripherals blend player insights with advanced technology, delivering not only performance but an elevated gaming experience. ASUS continues to set the bar for gaming gear, empowering players to perform with confidence and precision in every match.